Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accounts payable. Accounts payable. Accounts payable. Accounts payable is a financial term that represents the amounts a business owes to its creditors and suppliers. It is essentially the money a company is obligated to pay for goods or services it has received but not yet settled. Accounts payable is recorded as a liability on a company's balance sheet. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The company's accounts payable balance increased this month due to new inventory purchases. Why accounts payable is used in example number 1. Accounts payable refers to the financial record of outstanding obligations the company has for inventory purchases. It is a liability that reflects unpaid invoices. Example number 2. Accounts payable is a line item in a company's financial statements, indicating its current liabilities. Why accounts payable is used in example number 2. This highlights accounts payable is included in a company's financial statements as a current liability, indicating the amount owed to creditors at a specific point in time. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.